Narration-style premium Netflix documentary narrator. Voice characteristics: deep, calm, intelligent male voice. Natural American English accent. Slightly cinematic and investigative. Sounds like a confidential briefing, not a news report. Human, emotional, and believable. Never robotic or overly dramatic. Pacing: speak slowly and deliberately. Use pauses after important statements. Increase intensity during revelations. Slow down before key questions. Allow suspense to build naturally. Emotional tone progression: opening curious, mysterious, slightly alarming. Investigation: analytical and intelligent, like uncovering hidden information. Escalation: gradually increase concern and urgency. The audience should feel, "This is bigger than I thought." Revelation: serious and impactful. Deliver important lines with confidence and weight. Conclusion: reflective, unsettling, thought-provoking. Leave the listener questioning the future. Reading instructions emphasize words like AI, automation, replace, future, jobs, power, control, surveillance, intelligence, humanity. Add subtle pauses before and after major statements. Do not rush. Avoid sounding excited or promotional. Avoid sounding like a teacher. Avoid sounding like a YouTube influencer. Reference style: imagine a mix of Cold Fusion, James, Gianni, Aperture, Moon Voice Mood. 70 documentary. 20 suspense. 10 urgency, final feeling. The listener should feel like they are discovering a hidden truth that directly affects their future. Your office is already disappearing, not because the company is going bankrupt, not because robots are walking through the hallways, but because software is quietly learning how to do your job. Right now, as you watch this video, across America, artificial intelligence is entering offices faster than most people realize. It answers emails, creates reports, analyzes contracts, builds presentations, writes code, manages schedules, and every month it becomes better, cheaper, faster. The uncomfortable truth is that the future of work may not be a battle between humans and machines. It may be a future where humans simply become optional. And if that sounds extreme, consider this. For the first time in history, the jobs most threatened are not factory jobs. They are office jobs. The jobs people spent years studying for. The jobs society told us were safe. The jobs inside the office. The question is no longer whether AI will change the workplace. The question is, what happens when there is only one human left inside it? And that future may be much closer than anyone wants to admit. For decades, office work represented security, a college degree, a stable salary, a predictable career path. People believed that if they avoided physical labor and learned specialized skills, they would be protected from automation. Machines would replace factory workers, not accountants, not analysts, not marketers, not lawyers, not software developers, but artificial intelligence changed the rules. Unlike previous technologies, AI is not replacing muscle, it is replacing cognition, the very thing that made office workers valuable. Think about what happens inside a modern company. Most employees spend their day processing information, reading, writing, analyzing, communicating, making decisions. These are exactly the tasks that modern AI systems are becoming increasingly capable of performing. And unlike human workers, AI does not need breaks. It does not sleep. It does not ask for raises. It does not get tired, and it never stops learning. This is where the story becomes unsettling. Many companies are no longer asking whether AI can do the work. They are asking how many employees they can remove because AI can do it. The shift is already happening. Major corporations are investing billions into automation technologies, not because they are curious, because they see an opportunity to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and eliminate human limitations. From a business perspective, the logic is simple. If one IT system can perform the work of multiple employees, why keep the employees? And that question is now being asked in boardrooms around the world. The signs are everywhere. Customer service departments are shrinking, marketing teams are becoming smaller, content production is becoming automated, financial analysis is increasingly assisted by algorithms. Even software development is changing rapidly. Tasks that once required teams of specialists can now be completed in a fraction of the time. What once took weeks now takes hours. What once took hours now takes minutes. And what takes minutes today may eventually require no human involvement at all. But the most surprising part is not the technology. It is how quietly this transformation is happening. There are no headlines announcing the end of office work, no dramatic speeches, no public countdown. Instead, jobs disappear one department at a time, one software update at a time, one automated workflow at a time. And because the change is gradual, many people fail to recognize it until it affects them directly. History offers a warning. When industrial automation transformed manufacturing, millions of workers were displaced. Entire communities changed. Skills that were valuable for generations suddenly became obsolete. But there was one major difference. Factory automation targeted physical work. AI is targeting knowledge work, the very foundation of the modern middle class. This is why economists, business leaders, and technology experts are paying such close attention.